Number 15. No. Whatever.
Someone decided to react to funniest Roblox Squid Game words. And if we laugh more than 3 times, we have to join Squid Games ourselves.
You gotta be kidding me. I forgot. You gotta guess what type of people. I'm not revealing me. Chill. Chill. We all we have to do is just get out of here. Bruh. The laughter, which is one of the funniest in number 14. Let's go with it. Number 13. This short's broadcasted right now. Number 11. He's scrolling to find a video till this happened. Bruh. This video pop up. No, number 9. This video pop up about the broadcast. I'm just finding it. And I feel like I don't know what the show message mean. You guys say. Number 8. Evacuate. I don't know what that means. I feel like it means like the city's in danger and we had to leave. Number 7. We're watching right now. If this happens on my TV, I'll just sleep until my. I'm gonna switch. I'm gonna. Shelter in place. I think because we evacuate. I don't know. Let's go. I don't know. I'm going to. Oh. Okay. I get it. Let's go back where we were. Finish the morning 4, but green edition. Bruh. There's only 3% chance you have a thunderstorm that is green this whole time. It's well, in my TV, sometimes when a thunderstorm ends, they have like a broadcast. Sometimes they do it early days. Sometimes they do it earlier days. Number 4, I don't know. I don't know what to pick, so I'm gonna guess this one. If you don't know what short-term pick, money, wear your mask immediately. That is the easiest thing. I heard that. Well, it happens when I was. It happens on my mom's phone that we need to wear masks immediately, and that thing. This warning is only if there's a mechanic problem or diseases. Number 3. Okay, so this it's a tsunami warning happening Shawi Channel, which I crazy posted it. If you don't know what West Coast is, it's like California, Oregon, and Washington. That's it. Sometimes Mexican. Okay. Number 2, Vanilli Channel. Number 2. That is so long. Number, the last one. The last one will shock you. Will shock you for real. I will put in. Yeah, no, I agree with that one. This it's like until you see like a water that is giant, you better start like go to the high place. That's so easy, guys. Go to skyscrapers. Number 1. What? Well, I don't know what that means. Let's know what that means. I know. No. You know what, guys? I don't know what civil danger warning. Is it like lockdown one like similar to California that it happened in 1972? I found the video. I don't know. Yeah, it's not top 15. New top 15 is me. Haha. Bruh. Bro, what? Bruh. Bruh. Bruh, that's similar like lockdown. Don't worry, guys. It's similar like lockdown that it's but 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 the world is getting but your state's getting affected by criminals or something like that. I now I'm getting heart attack. Don't worry. Yeah. Calm down, guys. Yeah, guys. I really want to subscribe.